problem with India is people look at West and they masturbate. Money pay bills, passion doesn't. Content is art. Let it be the art and build a business on the side. Cash flow से bills पे होते हैं, content से leverage बनता है, जो future में capitalize होगा.
Do you think there is something you might have to sacrifice if you want to make it to the top?
बिना sacrifice के कुछ नहीं होता है. You need to choose your sacrifice. You can only choose sacrifices when something you are going for means everything for you. And if they are paying you attention, they are paying you. You can't consider attention as a free resource. People are like you, भाई I don't know what I'm passionate about. हैंचो तू ये figure out करता रहे, फिर तेरे अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं होंगे, फिर देखो कोई लड़की नहीं देगा, तो like फिर क्या उखाड़ेगा तू पैशन figure out करके? This is a very Western concept. That's not how shit works in India.
How do you attract yourself around the right people?
You are talking to the right person. Stupid people live much happier life than smart people. More information you have, the more bandwidth you need to process it. Try to cut vegetables and you will feel happy. You are sad because you're lost in your own fucking head.
Life में ऐसा हुआ है कि like you've kind of sold your soul for money.
Oh fuck.
What is your definition of freedom?
So my definition of freedom is
Alright guys, welcome to the 12th episode of the Productive
Procrastination podcast.
Let's go.
So today we're joined by a very special guest, someone who I have met a couple of months back, who we'll talk about inside. But I'd like a very brief intro of our guest if he would like to introduce himself.
So my name is Akshay Tongia. I've been creating content for like 3 years now. I'm an engineer turned marketer and I run my marketing agency. So yeah, that's that.
Insane stuff. Getting new guests every day.
We're getting bigger guests, guys. We're skyrocketing. Rajvar, would you like to hit us off with the first question?
Yeah, so let's keep it as open-ended. So tell us about your childhood, how you got into content creation, everything.
Childhood तो content तो मैंने अभी start किया है, मतलब childhood but childhood was very humble. I come from tier 3 city of Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. So it's like very small town, you know, not a lot of people. We went to an English medium school, but nobody spoke English, right? And so speaking in English was unheard of. It's not like kids were not having conversations in English like they would in schools like in Mumbai and Bangalore, right? So it was not effortless. अभी मैं नीचे जाता हूँ, इतने से बच्चे they're talking in English fluently and I was like, bro, what the fuck, right? उतनी English I learned in college, right? So humble beginnings and so basically the city is famous for the fort. अगर तुमने पद्मावत देखी है तो that's the city basically, right? So a lot of history, middle class people all over the place, very restrictive mindset कि ये करो ये करो ये करो ये करो, पढ़ाई करो, 10th में बोर्ड में अच्छे नंबर आने चाहिए, 12th बोर्ड में अच्छे नंबर आने चाहिए, गो टू JEE, इंजीनियरिंग करो, जॉब करो, MBA करो, शादी करो, बच्चे करो, खत्म, right? So that's basically what all there is, right? That's how people think. So that's where, so after that I went to Kota for preparing my JEE, following the path of what everybody was talking about. So 2 साल वहाँ पे I studied and everything, couldn't crack JEE, so I went into VIT. So that's a college in South Vellore, right? So had a good time, made a lot of friends and everything, but I absolutely hated coding. So my major was computer science, but I was like, this is something I can't do because it's just irritating. I can't sit in front of a black screen and code, right? So I was like, अभी कुछ और करना पड़ेगा because you need to make money, right? So first year I did nothing, right? It's absolutely fun. I was chilling around, doing parties and everything. Second year में लोग internship की बात करने लगे कि third year में internship लेनी पड़ेगी. So उसके बाद फिर placement convert हो गया, right? So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, अभी कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So coding करी नहीं समझ आया. Then I tried different things, web design, UI, UX, ये 15 चीज़ें, right? Then like marketing and psychology piqued my interest, right? So I was like, okay, I dive deep into that, learned a lot about it, books, videos, online money, ये वो सारी चीज़ें, right? फिर I graduated in COVID. I took a job, but मैं marketing और freelancing कर रहा था, start कर दी थी मैंने. And so COVID के बाद I did it seriously basically, and then I rejected my offer letter. I was like, job नहीं करूँगी. 1 year I was in my hometown itself. Then I moved to Bombay with one of my friends, rented the flat, and then we started building the agency that I have now. And that's also when I started my new Instagram page, from which you guys all know me. Correct. So I think that's the quick short journey. So yeah.
Saksham was that friend?
Saksham is a good friend of mine. Yeah.
No, the friend you moved in with.
No, Saksham was the name of the friend was Saket. It's not Saksham. Yeah. Saksham is a creator friend. So I met him after creating content.
अच्छा. You met बाद में.
Yep.
So there, like college में when you were trying different things, ऐसे marketing में अचानक से how did you go from like something like UI UX to psychology marketing?
सो UI UX ऐसा कुछ नहीं यार. सो मैं 1 महीने डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ, फिर 1 महीने UI UX कर रहा हूँ. रैंडम चीज़ है, जस्ट फकिंग अराउंड. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था कि करना क्या है भाई.
हाँ.
राइट. सो इट्स लाइक जहाँ पे मेरी क्यूरियोसिटी पीक हुई, एज लाइक अच्छा स्कोर कर लेते हैं. सो मार्केटिंग के बारे में जनरली पढ़ा था. यूज्ड टू सी एड्स ऑफ Porsche एंड एवरीथिंग, गुड एड्स, गुड कॉपी राइटिंग. एज लाइक दिस इज ग्रेट, राइट. एंड ऑब्वियसली मार्केटिंग में पैसा तो है, राइट. सो एज लाइक ठीक है. सो आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. Because I was like, okay, how do I convert this interest into money? Correct. Right. So what's working now? Right. So it was digital marketing back then, 5-6 years ago. Right. It was just booming up. Facebook ads, this, that, SEO, drop shipping और वो सारी चीजें. Right. So उसमें भी I explored everything. But then I found this intersection of marketing and content is where I would fit in. Is what I realized, because it was fun and a lot more creative than, let's say, SEO. Right. So that's how it came around. It's just about, okay, like when I'm reading a book or watching a video on marketing, is it, making me excited? So that's how I just kept following the curiosity, and that's how I was like, okay, I'll do marketing and content. So yeah.
You mentioned ना कि most of the people in your town were saying कि ऐसा एक स्टिग्मा होता है कि पढ़ाई करना है, फिर शादी करना है, फिर बच्चे, वो एक ऐसा नॉर्मली होता है ना. तो when you did something हटके ना, what was driving it? Was it the money? Was it कुछ हटके करना है, कुछ पैशन है, या फिर ऐसा कुछ रीज़न था कि कुछ अलग करना है? वो कहाँ से आता है, वो स्टेम कहाँ से हुआ?
So I think पहली बात तो, so like my family, everybody do business, right? So I think it's sort of a DNA of sorts. I would say that. I would give a lot of credit to that, because coming from a Marwadi business profile family, everybody is doing business, right? So धंधे की बातें हो रही है, पैसों की बातें हो रही हैं, इतने पैसे, इतने खोखे में बातें होती है हमारे यहाँ पे, right? पेटी और खोखे में, तुम्हें नहीं पता. पेटी मतलब लाख और खोखा मतलब करोड़. So वैसी बातें हो रही है, right? So I grew up in that environment, basically, right? But my parents were not very rich. ठीक है, it's middle class, normal, but like everything is going good. like ऐसा कुछ गरीबी भी नहीं है, but everything is good enough, right? So everything changed when I went to Europe for 2 months. In 2018, when I was in college, second year of my college, right? 2 months I was on exchange, right? And so I saw the culture, I was seeing people, लोग वहाँ पे बस कर रहे हैं कुछ और पैसे कमा रहे हैं और उड़ा रहे हैं, right? So they have no jobs, उनका कुछ लेना नहीं, they are doing everything online. And then I was like, okay, something could happen online, right? And that's when I started exploring पूरा money, Twitter, online का पूरा space and everything, right? So that's how it worked. And obviously, like I am a capitalist, so obviously it's about making money. So,
You said कि like you rejected an offer letter for a job.
Yeah.
So like how did it feel कि like आपके सब दोस्त उस टाइम पे they're going for ऐसे job, ये सब ये CPC ये सब है, and you're just trying your own, you're just figuring your own shit out.
यार so job तो basically job तो मैंने ले ली थी for the sake of it.
Okay.
For the sake of it. मतलब
as a backup.
placement हो गई थी. Because उस time पैसे नहीं था, like job तो लेनी पड़ेगी, right? So I took a job, but COVID में I got a bit lucky. It's a very, how do I say it, like more thing to say that I got lucky because of COVID. But basically COVID, got me some time. तो मुझे COVID, I think I went back home March 2020 में, और I was supposed to join the job in July 2020. But because of COVID, it got postponed to October of 2020. So I got those 4-5 good months where I had nothing to do basically, right? So I was doing random things, started creating content on YouTube, Instagram, freelancing और वो सारी चीज़ें, right? So वहाँ पे everything changed for me, right? कि अच्छा ठीक है, now I really want to kind of do this and I'll get into this. So I think that's that.
You started with what platform basically when you started March 2020 में ना? Which platform, like YouTube?
Like in terms of content?
Yeah,
Beginner,
in terms of
what do you begin
So
with?
I started with Instagram only.
Instagram,
short
short form.
form. Yeah. उस टाइम पे तो रील्स होती भी
reels
नहीं
नहीं
थी.
होते थे.
उस टाइम तो
वही.
so reels launched I think 2021 first quarter.
When they started copying TikTok.
TikTok, yes. So 2020 में when I was creating content, it was all carousels and IGTV.
Yeah.
IGTV exist करता था, अब तो exist ही नहीं करता. Right? So that's when I started. I did a lot of live sessions और वो सारी चीजें. फिर जब रील्स आई, सो पीपल वर लाइक कि भाई दिस इज फर्जी, रील्स काम कर ही नहीं सकती, इट्स पॉइंटलेस, राइट? 15 सेकंड के अंदर कोई कितनी वैल्यू देगा? इट स्टार्टेड 15 सेकंड्स, देन इट बिकेम 30 सेकंड्स, फिर 45 60 एंड नाउ इट्स 90, राइट? सो 15 सेकंड्स में उस टाइम बस एंटरटेनमेंट वाला कंटेंट चलता था. बस 15 सेकंड में तुम क्या ही करोगे? करेक्ट. सो माय नीश वाज कि एजुकेशन वाला सीन है, सो आई यूज्ड टू क्रिएट नॉर्मल कैरोसेल्स ओनली. सो दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड इन कोविड. रील्स तो बाद में आई है.
I think like even we keep discussing about short form content कि कैपिटलाइज करना है तो फिर शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट इज द वे. बिकॉज आज की जनरेशन में आज के जनरेशन में अटेंशन सीकिंग करना और फिर अटेंशन को मोनेटाइज करना is key. आई थिंक लाइक वी हैव टू ट्राई टू डू दैट ओनली. एंड इट्स लाइक यू माइट हैव फिगर्ड आउट दैट गेम ऑफ हाउ टू hook the person in the first 3 seconds, but also produce value in the next 12 seconds. अगर 15 सेकंड का रील भी है, तो फिर do you still believe like the value, like educational reels work or entertainment reels work more in today's time? Like
यार very platform specific. So Instagram पे lifestyle content will always outperform educational content.
Okay.
Right. So it's like education में you have to win top 1% to be able to hold the attention of the viewer. But entertainment, even if you're in 10, 15, 20%, तुम्हारा content काम कर जाएगा. Because Instagram पे a lot of people are there for having fun कि भाई scrolling कर रहे हैं. If I'm in my free time, I'm scrolling, right? So it's hard to crack educational content on Instagram. But if you can do it the right way, if you can introduce storytelling, if you can introduce branding of sorts, you can create your own style, then it could work very well, right? So again, it comes down to the basics of how do you actually make people stop scrolling, right? That's very important. Entertainment में वो inherently उसके अंदर ही होता है,
हाँ,
right? Because if I'm watching an entertaining video, 2 सेकंड में, पहले 2 सेकंड में भी entertaining है, लास्ट के 2 सेकंड में भी entertaining है, तो मैं वैसे ही hook हो गया हूँ, right? But educational के अंदर if it's boring, it's gone. So you need to figure that out and find that piece of the puzzle कि भाई पहले 4-5 सेकंड how do I make it good?
Do you think that's the same for long form content?
So I truly believe that short form content is just the crunched form of long form content, right? So if you have dove deep into how to kind of create YouTube videos with good retention and everything, I don't know if you've seen the videos or not, but you will realize that even in the YouTube people talk about intro and hook, right? So if a video is 8 minutes long, a hook would be 30 seconds to a minute,
1 minute, yeah.
right? Now if you crunch it down, 1 मिनट के अंदर तुम्हारी जो रील बना रहे हो उसके अंदर hook 5 सेकंड का हो गया, 2 सेकंड का हो गया, right? So hook, retention, call to action, that's how every video works. Every content works on the internet, right? अब तुम उसको text based में it applies on LinkedIn, it applies on Twitter, it applies on Instagram, YouTube or everything. So long form में भी I think there has to be a hook. So yeah.
So after this, like you started with Instagram carousels. What was it about the initial posts about?
यार सो इनिशियल पोस्ट जो मेरा पहला वाला पेज था, आई वाज पोस्टिंग एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग आई कैन अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम ग्रोथ, इंस्टाग्राम पे कैसे ग्रो करना है, वो सारी बेसिक टिप्स, हैक्स, हैशटैग्स, राइट? बिकॉज मुझे खुद कुछ नहीं आता था, तो मैं क्या ही बात करूँगा, मुझे खुद भी कुछ नहीं आता, व्हाट डू आई टॉक अबाउट, राइट? और उसके अलावा आई यूज्ड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ मार्केटिंग केस स्टडीज रैंडम लोगों की, राइट? कैरोसेल्स के अंदर आई यूज्ड टू डिजाइन ऑल माय कैरोसेल्स माय सेल्फ बैक देन ऑब्वियसली, इलस्ट्रेटर पे एंड एवरीथिंग आई वाज ट्राइंग टू, सो आई वाज लाइक कैसा डिजाइन इंप्रूव करके देखते हैं, बट ओवरऑल इट वाज वेरी, how do I say it, surface level bullshit, right? Like so तुम ये कर लो, फिर वो कर लो, फिर ये कर लो, right? So उसमें मैंने बहुत segmented content डाला था, पहले Instagram growth का डाल दिया, psychology का डाल दिया, marketing का डाल दिया, right? So audience बहुत segment हो गई थी, so random content डाल रहा था मैं. I just basically putting in the reps of content creation कि okay, how do you create content basically? The ability and habit of posting every day, it doesn't come naturally, right? Because it's almost like कि तुम रोज एक अननोन इंसान से बात नहीं करते हो ना,
करेक्ट,
राइट? सो सोशल मीडिया पे दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर पुटिंग योरसेल्फ आउट इन फ्रंट ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल पोटेंशियली, एंड दैट्स समथिंग दैट डजंट कम नेचुरली टू अस, राइट? सो वो भी एक हैबिट है कि रोज कुछ डाल के पोस्ट करना इज एन हैबिट. सो आई वाज लाइक आई विल जस्ट पुट इन द रेप्स, पोस्ट व्हाटएवर द हेल आई वांट टू पोस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. सो या that's
how do you face your fear on camera? Like you're recording every day, right? So you might be like nervous in the beginning.
Oh, for sure.
Because when we are recording, we get starting a first episode, we were a little nervous. we can still see behind the scenes where we were. So yeah, like how do you get rid of that nervousness?
So I think पहले तो मैं nervousness के बारे में ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि it's a mindset, right? So it's like you don't make nervousness a victim. So what people do is कि भाई मैं nervous कैसे हो रहा हूँ, राइट? इसको सही करो, राइट? सो व्हाट आई थिंक इज इफ यू आर गेटिंग नर्वस दैट मीन्स व्हाट यू आर डूइंग मीन्स समथिंग. अगर मेरे को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा जो कि कैसे रिकॉर्डिंग आएगी बाहर, तो मैं क्यों नर्वस होऊंगा? अगर मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा कि मैं बीच में अटक जाऊंगा, तो मुझे क्यों नर्वसनेस होगी, राइट? सो द ओनली रीजन वी गेट नर्वस इज बिकॉज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग मीन्स समथिंग टू अस, राइट? सो दैट्स सो टेकिंग इट फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव एंगल कि यार आई एम डूइंग समथिंग फाइन, राइट? एंड देन इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग इट्स जस्ट अबाउट पुटिंग इन द रैप्स इज ऑल आई एम सेइंग, राइट? इट्स लाइक you don't talk most confidently when you're talking to an unknown person for the first time, or do not talk to a, let's say, good looking girl confidently for the first time, right? But if you do it multiple times, you will be like, okay, fine, it's good, right? And most importantly, content के अंदर क्या होता है कि like you could be a great communicator, right? You could be a great conversationalist, right? But as soon as you press the record button, something changes, right? So it's almost like you are on the spotlight, right? So do more of it again and again and again, and eventually you just get effortless it. Even abhi bhi, like if I'm recording 10-15 din baad, right, I have not recorded let's say for 15 days, and when I sit down to record I get nervous. I will have to take like 10-15 takes before I get in the flow. So it's just about doing something every day and it becomes effortless. So yeah.
That confidence जो आपने build किया after recording yourself so much on camera.
Yeah.
बाकी aspects affect हुए, like dating life, you would talk.
In terms of like recording the content.
No, like talking in front of camera.
Yeah.
It helped you build
Oh,
confidence.
100%. So I believe I got a lot more confident, right? Because so the best part about recording content is that you think and you're able to kind of put your thoughts out very clearly, right?
Yeah.
So the reason why you get nervous in front of people and while you're talking to the girls is that you are not confident in yourself कि भाई मैं कुछ गलत बोल दूंगा तो मैं तो भाई मैं हक दूंगा अभी वहाँ पे जाके, right? So when you record again and again and again तुम्हें पता है कि मुझे जो बोलना है मैं वही बोलूँगा. So you feel in control in a sense. So everything gets better in my opinion.
But do you think like there's a downside to creating content?
Downside to creating content could be once you get big enough, maybe, right? I'm not there yet. But if you get big enough, like if you get 5 million, 10 million, randomly you're walking in some douchebag comes to you and be like picture leni. But if you say no, then he gets triggered. So I think that's the downside.
Does fame appeal to you? Like कभी सोचा है fame के लिए करना?
Yeah, it appeals to me.
कि
I won't lie.
करना मतलब is it more like नहीं if I'll do content creation but privacy maintain करना है कि you want to put your entire life out there?
No. So idea is to kind of I want to get famous with what I create. I don't want to create to get famous. You know what I'm saying, right? Like it's there is a very thin line, right? Like I can today if I decide कि मुझे बस famous होना है, so I can dance like in front of camera, do bullshit things and I'll get famous. Like it's like you just need to go viral. But I need to do what I'm doing and then get famous for what I do. So
in the niche that you have,
yeah, you could say that.
होना है,
And
to keep the rest of your life private.
Personal life is
yeah, for sure.
Do you think like content creation क्योंकि बहुत लोग का ये बाहर के they believe that 9 to 5 is ऐसा जॉब है तो फिर the person is constantly working but ऐसा entrepreneurship या फिर business अगर content creation में घुसना है they don't really know how the day looks like एक बंदे का कि balance मिलता है work life balance मिलता है how does your day like usually काम how does it work balance मिलता है क्या
That work life balance is a myth. Right?
जो करना है उसमें myth होता है ना वो
It's fucking myth, right? Like, कुछ नहीं होता work life balance in my opinion. It's all bullshit concept. Work life balance क्या होता है मतलब it's like तो how do you define work life balance मुझे वो नहीं समझ आता. Like do you define it on a daily basis or do you define as a whole is the question, right? So I could go I will go in so usually मैं मुंबई के अंदर तुम्हें पता है weekend में malls में बसड़ होती है, right? I go in malls 11 AM Monday खाली.
Smart.
So because I can afford to, right? I don't have to do a job. So, or maybe I can go on a date on Wednesday morning, right? And I can work entire Sunday, right? So it's like how do you define the work life? Overall, तो मुझे लगता है work life balance का concept exist ही नहीं करता in my opinion for my life because if you are always trying to improve, if you're always trying to get 1% better every day, it's a disease, right? It's always in your head, you know कि ये भी करना है वो भी करना है ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. So even if you're watching a TV series, you're not watching a TV series, you are passively watching it. It's always in your head, you know something. It's like वो क्या बोलते हैं ना bird नहीं होती थी क्या जो ऐसे पेड़ पे टक 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 what's the name of the whatever, right? So it's almost a disease I would say, right? Like, but it's like okay, do you want to do that sacrifice or not? But work life balance क्या होता है?
You mentioned freedom बीच में
Yeah.
कि मतलब you have the freedom to choose your when you go out when you do this. हम तीनों काफ़ी डिस्कस करते रहते हैं हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे freedom को लेके कि what does a person really mean when they say freedom? So what is your definition of freedom?
So my definition of freedom is freedom of time. I can do whatever I want whenever I want up to an extent. Freedom of time, freedom of money. अब फ्रीडम ऑफ मनी नहीं ये नहीं कि मुझे यॉट खरीदनी है, राइट? फ्रीडम ऑफ मनी इज कि आज मेरी माँ बोलती है वेडनेसडे को कि बेटा तू यहाँ आ जा, अगर फ्लाइट 50,000 रुपये की भी तो मैं जा सकता हूँ. ये नहीं बोलूँगा मम्मी आज फ्लाइट महंगी मैं कल आऊँगा. दैट्स फ्रीडम ऑफ मनी एंड देन देयर इज फ्रीडम ऑफ लोकेशन, राइट? इफ आई कैन डू ऑल दीज थ्री I am free is what I believe.
And do you think all these three are only achievable through business या फिर एक normal job में भी achievable है?
Normal job में freedom of location and freedom of time is not achievable. Freedom of money is achievable in my opinion because you can't tell your boss कि I'm not going to be coming in office on Wednesday morning, right? It's fucked up. Correct. Right? So if you want to go to Paris on Wednesday morning, how do you go? You can't, right? So then freedom of location and freedom of time is not possible in my opinion. until and unless you worked for 20-25 years in a company and you're at a position where you can afford to get
To
there.
like climb the social
Yeah,
ladder.
but in business you can like do it fast, in my opinion.
After college, why Bombay? Like, why not Bangalore or something?
Bombay is where everybody should be. Yeah. You guys are fucking lucky because it's,
Opportunity.
it keeps you on toes, na. It's like it doesn't matter how good you do. You go to the like. मैं कल जा रहा था. I was going to Dakshin like South Indian restaurant with my दादा दादी, right?
Correct.
और Maybach GLS ऐसे फिकी हुई थी कि 10 लाख रुपए की गाड़ी है, राइट? ऐसे लाइक रैंडम ब्लू कलर में उठाई हुई, कलर भी घटिया उसका, राइट? वो मेरे हिसाब से. सो इट्स लाइक भाई वो 2-3 करोड़ रुपए की गाड़ी साइड में पड़ी हुई है, तुम्हारी औकात नहीं टोटल 3 करोड़ रुपए की. इट्स लाइक इट्स इनसेन, राइट? लाइक यू पे 65,000 रेंट हियर और सामने तुम बाहर जाके देखो स्लम दिख रहा है. इट्स लाइक ब्रो, आई टेल दैट टू माय फ्रेंड्स हु लिव इन दिल्ली एंड बैंगलोर. बोलते हैं भाई व्हाट द फक. वो बोलते हैं तू यहाँ जा भाई, हम तेरे को कोठी बंगलो दिलाएंगे भाई. मतलब व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, राइट? सो मुंबई it's chaotic as fuck and it's beautiful because you always have to do something. You always have to do something, right? You think about you guys work, you're in colleges, but you're doing a podcast. You go to fucking Surat, nobody is doing podcast. Why? Because they don't care about it, because they have enough money to be able to live a comfortable life. Mumbai doesn't let you get comfortable. It's like कि भाई नहीं, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that's the beauty of Mumbai in my opinion.
In a way it's like थोड़ा humbling also, ना?
It's very
आसपास देख के
Very,
औकात
very,
पता
very
चलती है, फिर और काम करना
Very
पड़ता है
humbling,
क्योंकि आसपास देख
100%.
के.
That's why Mumbai. यार.
We keep discussing Dubai का भी the same thing कि
Yeah.
eventually असली औकात पता चलना है तो फिर दुबई जाना है.
हाँ.
पता चलता है कि तुम्हें लगता है दुबई इंडिया में अमीर हो, तुम दुबई जाओ.
But I didn't like Dubai, to be honest. Dubai it's artificial as fuck.
Correct.
Right? So I went to Dubai. So it's like, okay, you get nowadays mesmerized by looking at all the skyscrapers and everything. You are like, you know, watch Rolls Royce or a Lamborghini at first and you are like, fuck, this is crazy, right? You live there for 5 days and you be like, fuck, this is normal now, right? So there's no culture. They don't have their own music, right? It's like there is no architecture. Everything is artificial, right? There is no history, right? Compared to it, if you go to Europe, there is history everywhere, right? So you can sense it, is all I'm saying, right? There is no greenery as nothing, right? Singapore is much better than Dubai. Fuck.
I love
Beautiful.
Singapore. Singapore's
I love
so
Singapore,
nice.
bro.
I'll
I
still
love
stick with
Singapore.
Dubai.
It's beautiful. Dubai is artificial as fuck. Matlab,
Europe mein where did you go? Like that 2 months trip you said?
2 months I went. So my exchange was in Poland, right? There is a beautiful city of Krakow, right? It's like student city. तो Ukraine, Russia के जितने students हैं, everybody come to Krakow. Hot fucking girls, bro. Krakow is the place to go if you really want to go to Europe. Underrated as fuck.
Okay.
Beautiful, right? So we were there. That was our base basically, right? हमें वहीं पे रहना था. And then so Monday to Wednesday, Thursday we used to go to schools to teach. That was our exchange basically, right? Weekends, so basically Krakow हो गया, Poland. We went to Amsterdam. फिर we went to not Paris, sorry, उस time पे Budapest, Vienna, and we did Berlin. Yeah. So those like 4-5 cities we went to at that time. So,
How's
yeah.
Vienna? Like I've always wanted.
Vienna is beautiful. Vienna is beautiful, but the average demographic of people that live over there is a bit older.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, so I went to Europe again last July, around this time only, if I'm not wrong. So then, that time we went to Paris, Florence, Milan, wo Italy wala pura scene, right? Paris is fucking beautiful. Paris is one of my favorite cities in Europe till now.
Does it live up to the hype?
It definitely does. I don't know why people say Paris is shit. I don't know.
मेरे को तो most मैंने भी बहुत सुना है कि Paris is
Wait,
It's romantic, so it's a cliche. So the way humans work ना, कि कोई चीज cliche है, so they cool बनने के लिए they run far from it. It's like handshake sex करना भी cliche, right? But everybody does it. So what do you mean by cliche, right? So it's like romantic है, you feel it. If you go over there and if I give you a random girl, you will fall in love, right? So it's crazy, right? So I love the city, dude. It's metropolitan culture is insane. You know, people don't give a fuck about what you think, what you're doing. Just everybody is living their own life. So Paris
Would
is
you
good.
settle in Paris if given the chance? Like,
I won't settle in Paris, but I'll go whenever the hell I want because Indian culture, फिर butter naan और that's
anywhere
the
in Europe
destination.
would you as a settle in
actually,
future?
anywhere outside India also.
I won't settle outside India because
India
money is
only.
in the India right now. Number one is what I believe. Insane, right? Number two, culture, bro. I have to go back to the roots to feel happy, right? After a point of time, you would be like, hey, you have everything, but if you don't have family, what's the point?
You know, you said money is in India right now, na?
Yeah.
So when we talk about content creation in this space, no,
Yeah.
do you think it's like it's such an untapped market right now that
Yeah.
genuinely, if people are understand the game,
Yeah.
like even you are understanding, you might have understood a lot of it.
Yeah.
Do you think the money lies in digital economy of India,
Oh,
like
and-
content
yeah.
creation right now?
For sure, 100%. Like you think about it now. Like who is at a level Logan Paul is? Nobody, right? Who is at a level PewDiePie was, right? Like who is at a level of Mr. Bean? Nobody is it in India right now,
India,
right?
yeah,
So it's so obvious that there are going to be creators who will get at that level, but nobody is there yet.
So करते क्यों नहीं है? Why do you think no one's doing it?
Because I think the problem with India is that people look at West and they masturbate, right? They are like, okay, fuck. Oh fuck, this is what I want to do.
This is what they
Right?
want, and yeah, अच्छा लग-
It's like very few people in India would create their own style and then stick to it.
Do you think there are creators in India जो अभी like अच्छे like are at a good
Yeah.
subscriber follower base
Yeah.
who are genuinely putting out some innovative creative content?
Authentic.
Yeah, so I think there is one guy on YouTube by the name Anything. He does a lot of storytelling cinematography content. Crazy good. Crazy fucking good, right? He doesn't copy any filmmakers of the West or anything. He has his own style of speaking in Hindi and everything. Too good. Right? So there are people out there, right? And I think you will see in, a decade or so, Indian creators will go to peaks. For sure.
Any of the like both anything is how like is he underrated? ऐसे कितना?
He has, I think, I don't know, like more than 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So I won't say underrated. Decently big. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there are a lot. I don't see a lot of creators, to be honest. But so Tech Burner is a great example because he is not just a creator. He has been doing his own businesses a lot. I hate creators who just keep creating content, make money from brand deals, and fucking travel the world. It's like, what the fuck? Like, you can't just keep creating videos, right? Like, it's like, what's the value that you've created? Okay, like you're doing fashion reels. Okay, we understand your taste of fashion is good. You can give good recommendation, but you then rely on the brands who will pay you money. Like, why can't you sell something of your own? Is my problem with the creators in India. You will find a lot of creators, 500,000 followers, 1 million followers, they make shit, nothing. Because they don't even know how to use the attention.
Correct.
So there is a lack of education in terms of attention is important.
For a new creator, do you think is there any like you have to gain a certain amount of audience to start your own product? Like मैं इतना audience करूँगा और फिर मैं अपना
I don't think so. It depends first. Like, I won't recommend or personally, I won't start, let's say, a D2C company with the audience I have today because it's not enough. Right? Because so when you're doing D2C, the problem comes in logistics, inventory, and everything, right? So you can't do it in less volume. But in terms of monetizing, you can create a community. जिसमें तुम लोग बोलोगे भाई give me 50 rupees per month and you will get a normal behind the scenes content. That's monetization. Right? But people don't do it. Right? You won't see people doing it. It's like अगर तुम्हारे 5,000 follower, they are your followers. You build trust with them. अगर उनमें से 20 लोग भी तुम्हें 50 रुपए पर महीना दे रहे हैं, that's something. Correct. To start things off with. Right? So monetization किसी भी level पे हो सकता है. Right? But it shouldn't be like कि भाई ये content create इसने monetization के लिए किया है.
And that's
so people sense that in a way. So
like the audience is not stupid. They can find out. Actually हमारा भी
can
वही
sense
scene है कि we started creating content, but अभी that first step to take when it comes to business, monetizing, पैसे कमाना. क्योंकि in the end what matters is बैंक में पैसा अंदर आना चाहिए.
true.
तो like we trying to figure out first step, और वो first step के चक्कर में हम लोग ले ही नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि वो perfect plan बना रहे हैं मन में. तो do you think we just have to do it? Like छोटा step पे कुछ भी करना है करो.
It's like it's again very subjective and depending upon what you really want to do. अगर तुम्हें अभी पैसा कमाना है, so you can go for it. If you can delay it for a bit, delay it for a bit. So the idea of content creation is the more you delay the monetization, right, the more money you will make when you actually monetize it, right?
Okay.
So it's like the question that you need to answer is, do you have enough people on top of the funnel, right? So marketing में बहुत basic concept होता है funnel का. Top of the funnel is discovery layer where people just have seen you couple of times. Right? So do enough people see you is the question, right? It's like, are your reels and shorts getting viral? Do people recognize you in a way?
Is there consistent reach or not?
Are you doing that consistently? Because let's say you monetized, okay? You're not even putting out the content consistently. Then what's the point of monetization? Right? I would rather pay full attention and 100% energy into putting out as much content as I can. So I get big.
Don't you think like when you're like sacrificing like what your views के लिए आप कर रहे हो पूरा generalize कर रहे हो audience doesn't that like आपको audience और product market fit ना हो like mismatch हो जाए अपने audience के साथ.
So that's the you need to get clarity on, right? So it's like you don't necessarily have to make your content very generic to attract more people, right? You can stay in your niche and create it in a unique style, in a better production quality, and you can still go to masses, right? But लोगों को क्या लगता है कि भाई मुझे कुछ अजीब हरकत करनी पड़ेगी तभी वायरल होगा, right?
To get the attention.
Also, it's like, why do you want to reach out to 100 million people, let's say? If I ask you a question, how many people do you want to reach out to? Do you have an answer to it?
Not a specific
Like,
number.
what does a viral reel mean for you? People don't have answers for these questions, right? If you are only getting 1,000 views on a reel, getting 10,000 views on a reel is a viral reel.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah.
No, for some people.
Let's just aim for that. What a person aims for is कि मुझे viral होना है, and the definition of virality is at least 1 million views. When you have not even gotten 10,000 views, like what the fuck?
What if like one of the reels hits 1 million or 2 million and then rest of the content even after the reel went viral, it's
Dead.
It's dead.
Then you are stupid because if
He's got a point. Yeah.
no, because I'll explain it, right? If the reel got viral, break it down. Why did it go viral? And then repeat it. That's what creating smartly means.
Okay.
You don't want to go viral as a fluke, and even if you go viral as a fluke, you break it down. कि क्या हुआ इसमें ऐसा? And do it again. So
How do you like cultivate like your true fans? Like कि वो conversion rate होगा ही, वो लोग convert होंगे.
yeah, so it's like if I think from the content creation perspective, usually it comes down to building trust. So trust is the currency that can be used for trading time, energy, and money of other people, right? If you don't trust anybody, you won't pay money, right? If you really think about it, you won't even pay attention.
Correct.
So that's the issue. That's the problem that I need to solve, right? If I can show up on my stories every day, if I can reply to people's DMs, if I can answer their questions, then with every iteration, I'm building trust. Okay? The idea is you need to give them as much as you can, okay, through every other format of the content, and then trust gets built, and then you'll be like, okay, like I introduced something which is like $1,000, they won't even think twice.
True.
Right? So give it for free, then they will pay you money for it, right? So they pay for time, pay with time before they pay with money,
Crazy.
right? Correct. So even if they are paying you attention, they are paying you. You can't consider attention as a free resource, right? Because time is limited. So if somebody is watching your reel, if 1 million people are watching your reel, that means they are paying attention to you. That means they are exchanging their time with you, right? So that means there is value there. You're building trust with them. That's why content is so powerful. If you can do it again and again and again and again, and if 10,000 people are paying attention every day, that's insane, right? Because then you'll be like, okay, here's a product, like maybe plug it here and there, and $500, and they'll buy it. So monetization has to be effortless, right?
Yeah.
If you do it the right way. All the biggest creators, they do it very effortlessly, right?
Like, sorry, go on.
Okay, I'll go. So basically, I had this question: what do you think about these faceless Instagram pages that don't show their faces, but you must have seen it, like a black dark sa background रहता है with the white text and radio caption वाले.
Yeah.
But they still manage to somehow get a good number of followers.
Yeah.
But पता नहीं, I'm not able to trust them completely. So what are your thoughts about it?
See, you are not able to trust something when it's not big enough. It's like saying that I don't trust Shahid Kapoor doesn't make sense. Until and unless you go to the personal level and you're doing a personal transaction. You know what I'm saying, right? That's why Shah Rukh Khan will do a Pan Masala ka ad and people will watch it and won't say anything. Like tier 1 would say something, but other people won't. Because he's big.
Correct.
You won't go to Louis Vuitton's showroom and be like, this bag is fake, I don't trust it. Because it's too big to doubt, right? So you don't trust something when it's not big enough.
But do you think like showing your face in your content, does that build a little bit of authenticity? Because it's like having, there's a person on the other side.
Yeah, 100%, that helps.
Also that unique style, if like 10 pages are following the same style, like for editing style for that matter, वो rounded corners करके that thing.
Yeah, so it's like faceless का जो तू बोल रहा है ना, faceless के अंदर it's all about creating a unique style of editing, right? अभी तुम देखोगे तो you might have seen these edits of by maximize style. You do by maximize.
Love
Everybody is
it.
doing it. Everybody is doing it, right? But everybody is doing it, but after a point of time it will fade away, right? बीच में तुमने देखा होगा तो animations चली थी, right? Where are those now? It's gone, right? Because now people have gotten fed up of the animation. So people get bored of anything and everything, right? अगर तू बुर्ज खलीफा में फ्लैट ले लेगा तो भी थोड़े दिन बाद तू बोलेगा अभी मेरे को इटली जाने का है, तो
Used to हो जाते हैं.
you know what I'm saying, right? So it's faceless के अंदर especially it's all about creating a style that is unique to you. How you can create a style, not curate. So by Maximize की page if you go, he has changed his style now.
हाँ.
Now people will copy that. Then he will change it again. So that's what good creation actually means. That you create the trends, you create the style, you know. Especially it's very important in faceless wala scene. Because if I'm showing a face, so people are following me for me. But faceless के अंदर people are following me for the edit and the content there is. So that's what you need to figure out.
You know, you mentioned there are some things you have to lose out on या फिर sacrifice if you in a storytelling, right? In a story kind of thing. तो हम लोग का कैसा है कि we always talk about that how it will feel like when you're on the top of the mountain, when you've made it.
Yeah.
Do you think ऐसा there is something you might have to sacrifice in your way before if you want to make it to the top? Or do you believe that happy ending, मतलब happy story हो सकता है पूरा successfully?
No stories are completely happy stories. It's always black and white. And I'll tell you why. Right? It's like if I'm sitting here today, I moved to Bombay. Okay, I'm talking to you guys, but I'm not fucking spending time with my family who is getting older. So there is a sacrifice. I chose it. I chose it. I could have lived with my parents, do my family business, or maybe build from over there.
Correct.
But still get to spend time with them. But this is sacrifice I'm making because time is limited. So बिना sacrifice के कुछ नहीं होता. And the only thing is you need to choose your sacrifice. What's the sacrifice that you are willing to choose? If something, and you can only choose sacrifices when something you are going for means everything for you. And it's like you go to the mountain. You will always see up above and there will be another mountain. So there is no end to it. It's like you can't be like कि मुझे बस ये एक mountain climb करना है and then it's done. कभी नहीं होगा वो.
You don't think there's a top of the mountain?
There is no top of the mountain. There is top of the mountain. It's like it's all like why do you think Elon Musk is not retired?
पर उसको अपने काम से
Obviously,
truly प्यार है ना,
so you
obsessed.
can-
He's
you can-
obsessed about his work.
You cannot even climb the first mountain if you're not obsessed about it, is all I'm saying.
It's true.
So you never wanted to go to the peak. You always wanted to keep doing it.
हाँ.
That's why you went to the peak.
अच्छा.
Else you would not even not make to the first
तो
peak.
अगर peak goal है तो फिर you'll never make it to the peak, you're saying. मतलब you
There is
should.
like yeah, you have to love the process. That's when you make to the peak. But peak has to be very clear. So there is a very slight thin lines to this, right? Like if I don't even know where I'm going, how I'm supposed to go?
Correct.
What if you climb the wrong peak?
What if you climb the wrong peak? Yeah.
But you'll never know, na. Like before you climb, how do you know it's a wrong peak? It's a risk you have to like how.
No,
do
but you have you can be 80%, 90% clear ना यार कि this is the direction that I want to go in.
Correct.
Right? It's like I want to do something तो मैंने podcast start कर दिया करने के लिए. So it's like when you are not clear तुम कर ही नहीं पाओगे. 2 एपिसोड बाद तुम बोलोगे कि भाई मैंने क्यों ही स्टार्ट किया है,
आगे क्या करना है?
आगे क्या ही करना है, राइट? सो पीक का तो कोई एंड नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से.
क्लैरिटी आपके हिसाब से ज़रूरी है इनका.
So I think you need to constantly chase clarity. This is something that I talk about a lot through my content because अगर तुम कॉन्स्टेंटली, और ये ऐसा नहीं कि तुम आज बैठे तुमने क्लैरिटी चेज कर लिया अब तुम्हें 6 महीने तुम यू आर क्लियर. हर दिन यू आर अनक्लियर ना कि भाई पॉडकास्ट सही जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, कौन सा गेस्ट लेके आना है, क्या हमारी नीश सही है, आर वी टॉकिंग टू द राइट पीपल, आर वी टॉकिंग ऑन द राइट टॉपिक्स, आर वी क्रिएटिंग राइट कॉन्टेंट, राइट? सो आज तुम्हें अगर लग रहा है कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, दैट्स क्लियर इन माई ओपिनियन. तुम्हें ये क्लैरिटी तो कभी आई नहीं सकती मेरे को अगले 5 साल तक ये करना है, दैट्स इम्पॉसिबल, राइट? बट वॉट यू आर डूइंग यू शुड डू विद क्लैरिटी. ऐसा नहीं कि बस करने के लिए कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
यू विल नेवर फील फुलफिल्ड और तुम कर भी नहीं पाओगे उसको. तो समझ रहे, अगर मैं तेरे को बोलूंगा कि भाई ऐसे चल पॉडकास्ट कर लेते हैं तो सुबह उठ के यू वॉन्ट बी ना कि चलो करते हैं.
एनर्जाइज नहीं होंगे.
सो विदाउट क्लैरिटी तो यू कांट गो एनीवेयर इन माई ओपिनियन. इट्स पॉसिबल नहीं. इट्स लाइक मैं तेरे को कार में बिठा के बोलता हूँ कि भाई चल कहाँ, तो तू कहाँ जाएगा, तू रैंडम, तू कब तक जाएगा, तू कब रुकेगा? इट्स लाइक वापस घूम के घर ही आएगा ना. तो बस इट्स लाइक व्हेन यू आर अनक्लियर ना, तुम हाथ पैर मारते हो और वहीं बैठ जाते हो वापस, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो वेयर टू गो, और यही मैं तेरे को बोलूँगा भाई चल मरीन ड्राइव चलते हैं, तो तू मैप्स चलाएगा, तू बोलेगा अच्छा इतना टाइम लग रहा है, अच्छा नहीं इस रास्ते से चलते हैं, वहाँ जाएंगे 1 घंटा बैठेंगे और फिर इतने टाइम पे वापस हमें घर आ जाएंगे. तो यू आर प्लान्ड, तूने प्लान कर लिया अब सब कि मैं ये ऐसे करूँगा. सो the part of achieving the goal is breaking the goal into smaller goals. And if you don't even know the bigger goal, if you're not clear about it, तो तुम उसको छोटे गोल्स में कैसे तोड़ोगे? जो मैं देखो वो कार वाली बता रहा हूँ, राइट? इट्स लाइक तुम तोड़ ही नहीं पाओगे गोल्स के अंदर.
But do you think like people fantasize about the peak way too much and then they forget to like take action?
Yeah. That's why you know like how to make money quick videos work on YouTube.
Yeah. That's true.
That's the जो तू इमोशन बोल रहा है ना लोगों का,
हाँ.
उस एक इमोशन पे पूरी YouTube की मेक मनी ऑनलाइन वाली इंडस्ट्री चल रही है भाई. Because people don't want to do the work. People just want to mental masturbate and fantasize about their life.
Correct.
So yeah, people do that. I have done it as well. When I was starting out, it's like अच्छा fuck भाई ये फोड़ देंगे. Then अगले दिन but कल सुबह से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Procrastination.
That thing that you had started this after 8-9K followers थे ना आपके पहले अकाउंट पे, उसके बाद आपने you started posting on this.
Yeah.
How did that feel कि मतलब 8-9K तक पहुंच गया, अब भी छोड़ते हैं?
Fucking hard, bro. Fucking hard, right? So I was talking about this with my sister yesterday, and I was like, fuck, bro, I turned off my 9,000 followers वाला page and started a new one. That takes some guts, maybe, right? उस time पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में क्या था, because but the thing is I got frustrated maybe because people used to comment on my post, be like, bro, you deserve at least 100,000 followers. Your content is so good, ये वो. So it's not completely क्या बोलते हैं ना कि बस कूद गए. I had some signals. राइट कि लोग बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि यार प्रो यार डिजर्व मोर व्यूज नहीं आ रहे, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा. सर लाइक यार ट्राई करके देखते हैं, कुछ चेंज करके देखते हैं, थोड़ा इधर उधर करते हैं, देन इट वर्कड. सो इट्स ऑल ऑल्सो अबाउट बीइंग वेरी अवेयर एंड कीपिंग योर आइज एंड ईयर्स ओपन कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, लाइक व्हाट आर पीपल सेइंग, रिसीविंग दोज सिग्नल्स.
Would you still create if it would have not worked? Like अगर 100K नहीं होते, 200K नहीं होते, तो would you still keep creating
in
today?
this particular
Today,
page I had no option na. So I am a kind of a like, so I was like कि मुझे videos create करने, and when I started creating videos ना, my entire goal was कि I want to get better at speaking in front of camera and I want to get better at speaking in English, right? Because as I told you, I come from tier 3 city, bro, मुझे English नहीं आती थी. When I went into college, like I didn't knew how to speak in English, right? और मेरी वो कैसे बोलते हैं ना, गली छिंदी नहीं होती एकदम. ऐसा लगता है कि लड़ते हुए बात कर रहा है भाई तू, मतलब क्यों बात कर रहा है भाई तू, मतलब नॉर्मल सी बात है ये तो, तू ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहा है. वो हिंदी थी यार हमारी. तो एज लाइक यार आई हैव टू get better because I have to get at least better in speaking in English. and अगर मैं वो भी नहीं कर रहा तो मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ, right? So I started creating videos as a measure of कि यार मुझे बस videos बनाने में और बोलने में अच्छा हूँ मैं. That was my motive of it कि यार I want to get better, I want to create better videos, right? Obviously बाद में views और वो सारी equations आने लग गई, right? And अगर नहीं होता तो I don't know bro, maybe I would have quitted. I won't lie. मैं वो नहीं बोलूँगा कि नहीं भाई, but it's like वो फिर Kanye West बोलता है ना कि everybody want to do.
Yeah, everyone wants to know what it would be like if we didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
We'll never.
Fear of failure अभी भी इफेक्ट होता है.
Every day bro. It's like, so the thing is, what people think is कि एक चीज़ अगर किसी ने अचीव कर ली, so it's उसकी लाइफ तो सॉर्ट है, right? It's the war is internal, right? It's like तुम खुद को क्या बोल रहे हो रोज, दिमाग में खुद को ही बीटी दे रहे हो कि भाई ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा. इट्स लाइक ये है तो अब ये चाहिए. आई वेरी डिस्टिंक्टिवली रिमेंबर कि मैं खुद को बोलता 10,000 फॉलोअर हो गए तो भाई लाइफ सॉर्ट. एज सून एज आई हिट 10,000 लाइक कि 25,000 चाहिए, फिर 50 चाहिए, फिर 100K चाहिए, फिर 200K हो गए तो अभी 300. No end to it, bro.
No finish line.
There is no end to it. So you're always comparing yourself with others. That's how humans are, because we are social creatures, right? So always comparing, always trying to get better, and that's the beauty of it, I would say. क्योंकि अगर तुम बेटर ही नहीं हो रहे तो फियर ही खत्म. इट्स वो जो अपने नर्वसनेस वाली बात करी थी. सो
और वो एम्बिशन काफ़ी हम तीनों भी काफ़ी फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड लोग हैं वैसे. हम लोग सोचते बहुत है कि फ्यूचर में हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू प्ले आउट फॉर अस, एंड वी फॉरगेट टू लिव इन द प्रेजेंट समटाइम्स. आर यू आल्सो लाइक दैट? डू यू ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ द फ्यूचर?
Do you think it's a curse?
It's a curse. It's a fucking curse.
Do you think it's necessary for someone to grow to have that thing?
Yeah, that's a good question, and I think up to an extent it is, right? Because if you're not thinking about the future, then you cannot put in the right actions. Then you might end up in the wrong direction, right? But it's also about, so this is how I define it, okay? It's like when I'm, so let's say if we're sitting here, we're talking, right? You're not probably thinking about how am I going to grow podcast. What you're thinking is what probably next question we are going to ask. Right? But you're not thinking about कि भाई मेरे को कल क्या करना है, right? So that's living, right?
Correct.
We are living in the moment. So that's how it is, right? So एक तो ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि the more you dive into philosophy, the more you think, the more misery there is,
Oh.
right? So philosophy in a way is, it makes you miserable. If you really think, if you really think about it, stupid people live much happier life than smart people,
Oh, that's very true. Huh? That's very true.
right? Because they don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
That's true.
Because they don't even know shit.
Yeah.
The more information you have, the more bandwidth you need to process it.
Yeah.
Correct.
So then you are कि fuck, मैंने कहीं और पढ़ा था ऐसे होना चाहिए, बट नहीं fuck ये तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, नहीं fuck ऐसा होना चाहिए, नहीं fuck. So
हाँ.
और ये सोच में गाड़ी निकल जाती है कभी
yeah.
कभी.
So you are getting older और तुम्हें लग रहा है कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा because you're thinking too much, right? So the way I think about it is every now and then breaking out of thinking and doing more. When you do more, you live in the present.
Correct.
If you really think about it, अगर तू कुछ काम कर रहा है तो तू present में ही है. If you really force it, it's like, and I'll tell you this, right? Try to cut vegetables. It's very weird thing to say, right? And you will feel happy. Try it. I love cutting capsicums.
Like,
So
मुझे
fucking
difficult
weird,
लगता है यार.
so fucking weird, right? Like you try washing dishes, you will feel happy. You try getting your room in order, you will feel happy. Because तुम जब वो कर रहे हो तो तुम बस वही कर रहे हो.
Present.
You are sad because you're lost in your own fucking head.
Oh.
That's what I've realized. You need to do more, do more, do more, do more. As soon as I start thinking I'm done, I can't stop my head.
Does it scare you or comfort you knowing that so much of your life is forever going to be online?
Yeah.
Like in the future when you are getting older and you will have a family, you will have kids.
Yeah.
Does that thought ever cross कि यार मैं इतना मेरा life होने वाला है forever, मेरे बच्चे देखने वाले हैं eventually in the future and all.
Yeah.
वो thought कभी cross करता है mind?
It cross and I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Because it's like your kids can see you growing up. Like without creating content, that's not possible. If you really think about it, how your kids can see you growing up?
You documented your life exactly.
You are basically documenting your life that your kids can see, maybe, you're right? And even for yourself, like if I feel bad about anything that I'm doing today, I'll just open my YouTube, go to the first video I post, and I'm like, fuck,
Yeah.
you know, I
Nostalgia.
came a long way, right? Because that means I'm doing something right.
Correct.
That means I've improved, right? So I think documenting is good. Everybody should document their life in one way or another. Like, you know, just maybe record voice memos for yourself. Just for yourself. Forget about everything and anything else.
Do you record your life in any other way, like diary वगैरह कुछ maintain करते हो कभी?
So I don't maintain a diary as sort. So I only write when there is chaos in my mind.
Oh. Okay.
So it's like when I can't think, when I'm feeling anxious, when I don't know what's happening, when I don't know if things are going right or not, I'll just put all the thoughts on a diary and I'll feel good. But usually I do not have the habit of journaling. Might be a helpful habit to acquire, but I don't have it till now.
तो artistic abilities सिर्फ content creation में you are like exploiting अभी के लिए. You're not doing
Like
anything
that
else.
creative side of
Creative
you.
side of you, do you?
Creator side of me, I write a lot. So all the content that you see on all the platforms, that comes from my writing.
Okay.
Right? So 2 to 3 days a week, I try to write for at least 1 hour a day, 1 hour in the morning. So I take a cup of coffee and I just write.
But doesn't it like suck in the beginning? Like, बाप रे
Suck a
यार.
lot. So see, writing, there has to be a process of writing. You can't be like sit down, अच्छा ठीक है लिखते हैं. That's not how it works. So I have a very refined process of writing that I follow. Right? So it's like, first of all, I always keep my eyes and ears open. Ideas are everywhere.
Correct.
Right? If I'm talking to you today, probably I'll post a reel tomorrow about it.
Correct.
Not about the content that's getting recorded, but about what I learned about it.
Correct.
So the ideas are there. When I'm watching a podcast, there are ideas. When I'm watching an ad while watching a cricket, there is an idea. It's everywhere. So I have developed this habit of documenting the ideas.
Being very observant.
Observant.
And जो भी आसपास चल रहा है सब कुछ.
क्या चाहिए thought I fuck, I have to write it. Like there have been times कि मैं phone usually take it in my washroom, right? मैं song चलाता हूँ and I take a shower. Shower लेते I stop the shower and I wrote something.
Shower thoughts.
Fuck ये निकल जाएगा.
Shower thoughts.
Shower
Shower
thoughts.
thoughts,
That's a good question.
Yeah, so वो you document your ideas. So the way I do it, I document the ideas. And then morning में जब मैं बैठता हूँ, I pick any idea and I just like expand on it. the goods, the bads, the contrarian takes, the leftist take, the rightist take. What do you think about it? Your experiences on it. Note down everything. And then I write this 1,000, 2,000 words article and all the content come from it. Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, everything comes from it. So I like writing. And I think the more you write, the more articulate you become.
Yeah.
Because it's like writing is not easy. Right? Reading a book is easy because you're reading somebody else's thoughts. But when it comes to writing, you can't write someone else's thoughts. You have to write your thoughts. So if you have to write your thoughts, you have to think about your thoughts couple of times before you write. So you better make your thoughts articulate.
Correct.
So what you write, you like it. Else you would be like, कि fuck bhai abhi kya likh raha hu main, this is kasra, right?
I think even in your content, like you have to concise it to like 60 seconds.
Yeah.
60 seconds में इतना articulate करना पड़ता है कि the viewer has to.
Yeah, have to listen to it. Yeah.
Do you have like a favorite quote or something?
Favorite quote? Yeah, so recent favorite quote is from Alan Watts.
Oh.
So he says, I don't know, like I'm sorry if I'm quoting it wrong, but he says, the purpose of life is to just be alive, live, aisa kuch. But people make it hard, like there is something big enough to achieve, something like that, right? Like it's fucking, right? I don't know. It's the Alan Watts. So I've been loving that quote, right? So I've been reminding myself ki yaar bhai, you need to be fucking happy right now. Like what's the point?
So regarding this, like what advice would you give to people like us who's just starting out, but also like we're very future oriented.
Yeah.
We forget to be in the present.
Yeah.
So like what advice would you have for 20-year-olds who like एकदम ऐसा ambition कि भाई ये तो 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़.
Yeah, I think मैं तो बोलूँगा कि यार you have to keep money in mind, but have fun, right? Like so right now when I saw you guys, you were having fun.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, right? Like so, like you're messing around with each other, fucking, that's fun, guys. Like that's what it means, right? So you're recording a podcast, you're having fun.
Yeah.
You're laughing, that's beautiful, right? Just keep doing that. Don't sit down on a podcast and be fucking sad. Then don't do it.
There's no point.
You know what I'm saying, right? Like money will come if you just are happy and you're doing it authentically. Money will come as a result of it, right? So just do what makes you feel good and share it online, right? That's very important if you really want to monetize it. Right? You don't want to be a broke artist.
That's true.
Right? And the bad thing about the society and the world we live in is that it put broke artists who become successful on a pedestal. So everybody be like, yaar, I just want to be an artist, I don't care about the money. But the world doesn't talk about the broke artist who sleeps hungry at night. Correct. Because nobody knows about the person.
Correct.
There's no
Right?
point,
So there is a glorification of people who were broke but now have achieved something. So don't stay fucking broke. You need to make money. Right? You need to make money and you have to make the smart moves. Because I always say like money pay bills, passion doesn't. People are like, bhai, I don't know what I'm passionate about. हैंचो तू ये figure out करता रहे, फिर तू 26 का हो जाएगा, फिर तेरा अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं होंगे, फिर तेरे को कोई लड़की नहीं देगा, तो लाइक फिर क्या उखाड़ेगा तू पैशन फिगर आउट करके. दिस इज अ वेरी वेस्टर्न कॉन्सेप्ट. जब 35 साल के अंदर तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, 40 में मैंने पैशन ढूंढा. दैट्स नॉट हाउ शिट वर्क्स इन इंडिया, राइट? हैंचो तुम 35 के होके देखो और तुम पैशन फिगर आउट कर रहे हो,
नहीं चल रहा है आप तो.
you can't survive in the society, bro. People will kick your ass, right? And you will feel embarrassed.
Yeah, that's true.
So भाई ये सब चूतिया है. व्हाट्स पैशन? अकाउंट में पैसे होने चाहिए, राइट? यू कांट डू इट.
Correct.
सो यू नीड टू मेक मनी फर्स्ट एंड देन फिगर आउट द पैशन. ना भर लो अकाउंट में पैसे, फिर करना पैशन फिगर आउट.
Do you think people that do a job have a normal 9 to 5 job? उसके अलावा भी do you think it's possible to focus on business or like content creation from 5 to 9? कि do you think 9 to 5 घुसने के बाद बंदा फिर अगर business या entrepreneur बनना है तो possible नहीं है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं यार. There are a lot of examples of people doing it, right? So there is a creator called Hustle Rani. I don't know if you know her or not. She has been doing a job for a long time, but she is a good creator, right? And because of that, a lot of opportunities have opened up for her, right? The idea of, it's like the only problem that I have with the job is of the conversation that we had about comfort.
Correct.
If I pay you 2 lakh rupees per month, let's say, if you're doing a great job as a 21-year-old, would you have balls to leave that 2 lakh rupees per month and be like, now मैं खुद का कुछ करेगा? That's the problem, right? If you have the DNA of getting comfortable, then you can't do it after a job. That's the biggest problem of doing a job, because when you have a job now, what you're doing, you are not 100% into it because you have a backup fucking plan. And so there are no backup plans, right? There is only one plan. Because उसके अलावा तुम सब half ass कर रहे हो, right? Because अगर मेरे पास job नहीं है, then what I do, I have to make it fucking work, else I'm done. So अगर तुम उस comfort zone से हम consistently बाहर रह सकते हो कि यार job तो मैं कर ही रहा हूँ कि but भाई ये है असली चीज़, then it's fine. But you have the DNA of getting comfort. भाई लोग तू सोच के देखना, I have met so many people who are like यार भाई जॉब ले लेता हूँ, बाद में I'll build my startup. They fucking work from Monday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday they're drunk.
Lot of our friends actually.
Because and the reason is कि they're frustrated from Monday to Thursday. So they are like कि यार भाई मैं अब Friday, Saturday, Sunday को अगर ये काम करूँगा तो मैं जीऊँ कि क्या करना है अभी?
Correct. हाँ.
That's the issue. So be self-aware of what you're getting yourself into. So that's how I think.
Do you think some people are meant to be successful? Do you believe like some people have destiny in place?
That's a heavy fucking question, right?
Destiny में believe करते हो आप, अक्षय जी?
Don't give me that fucking tone, right? So, destiny. I think some people have the DNA that is required to get successful, right? Specifically, we talk about entrepreneurship, right? So, success can be defined in different ways. So, let's not talk about success, right? A person could say, "Yaar, making 25,000 rupees per month is success for me."
Okay.
You know, so that's very subjective. How do you define success, right? But if we talk from the perspective of business and entrepreneurship, right, you have to have a certain trait to be able to build a business,
Okay.
right? Because if you are a kind of a person who do not like to get involved in people, who don't like to lead teams, you can't build a business. But some people learn it, but some people get it naturally in the DNA because unke garwal, their family is like that.
Okay.
Their family is like that, right? So, like when I really reflect on my life, my grandfather, he has always done social work. He has, he even did protests. So he always had that DNA of, speaking up for things or doing something different, right? My father always did a business. And he also had this DNA कि यार भाई मैं तुम्हारी नहीं सुन रहा, right? So that,
authority
and everybody is, when they tell stories, you're like, अच्छा, so you listen to it. And then it came to me, right? So when I used to tell stories in my college, let's say हम 4 लोग कहीं बाहर गए और 4 लोग नहीं गए, for example. तो हम जब 4 लोग वापस आए, तो एक बंदे ने स्टोरी बोलना स्टार्ट किया, राइट? तो बाकी 4 बोल रहे हैं कि भाई तुम रुक जा, अक्षत तू बता. सो दोज आर द सिग्नल्स दैट आई वाज अवेयर ऑफ कि यार मैं नॉर्मली बोल रहा हूँ भाई, मैं ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ, बट तुम्हें मजा आ रहा है. सो नाउ यू कैन लर्न इट. You know what I'm saying, right? I mean, you can learn it, but it would take a lot of time.
For some people, it's natural.
For some people, it comes very natural.
I think they're like curious about it.
They're curious about it, comes natural, it just flows. You know, it's almost like you can't train to play like Messi. You know what I'm saying, right? You can train to probably play like Ronaldo if you're fucking hardworking, right?
Which one do you like more?
By the example.
नहीं example नहीं. यार ये बहुत ही डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर देने का मन नहीं कर रहा मेरा यार, बट
Choose one.
बट आई थिंक मेसी आर्टिस्ट है यार, लाइक इट्स लाइक यू कांट कंपेयर हिम विद एनीवन इन माय ओपिनियन, राइट? इट्स इनसेन, लाइक आई लव वाचिंग हिम. सो
But you still believe hard work beats talent, no? Any day of the week.
yeah. Hard work beats talent if the person talented is lazy as fuck.
Person talented.
When the talent doesn't work out.
Yeah. So yeah, that's that.
Because I think the three of us do believe कि हम लोग के पास all of us have a certain skill set and like we are meant to do a certain thing. Like हम लोग भी बात करते रहते हैं कि business करना है, and we all three of us feel कि we have what it takes.
Yeah.
But when we speak to as a businessman or entrepreneurs, everyone says कि it's not a skill you can learn. It's a skill. Most people say it's a skill you're born with.
I don't necessarily agree to it, to be honest, right? Like it's like it's what business is, just value creation, right? Like if you can create value, and I'll tell you this, what you are saying and what other people might have told maybe are much more successful than we, but I have heard opinion ki social media has made it easier for more and more people to become business people.
That's true.
Because you have given the ability to create value at scale.
Correct.
Right? And you can create that value without working with teams. You can decide कि मैं मेरा स्क्रिप्ट लिखूंगा, मैं मेरा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूंगा, मैं पोस्ट करूंगा. I'll do everything. So that's you creating value. And when you create value, you can convert it into business if you're smart enough. Right? So I think that might be true in terms of building traditional businesses that does $1 billion, right?
Yeah.
Like I don't know. Maybe that's natural. Maybe you can't become Elon Musk by working hard.
Correct.
Maybe you can't become Steve Jobs by working hard, right? But you can fucking become a person who makes good fucking loads of money by working hard. So how do you define it? Like what's business for you, right? So
What aspect of content creation or entrepreneurship do you hate the most? Daily life में या weekly? दा करना बिल्कुल ही
I
नहीं पसंद.
hate the most is hiring people.
It's tough.
If I may, it's fucking hard, right? And it's hard. Like you can't judge the person in one go because I'm not a psychologist or like, I don't know, right? So hiring and managing people is a very tricky process because as humans it's not easy to fire. Hire तो कर लिया. अभी what happens is as a human being, as an emotional person, मैं एक गलती के बाद उस इंसान को फायर नहीं बोल सकता because that's how I am built.
Correct.
But what business requires is ruthlessness. कि भाई तूने गलती की कल निकल.
Yeah.
तो now I have to switch the roles. Maybe juggle between two emotions. कि यार भाई नहीं यार इसकी मतलब अभी तो यार क्या है पैसे मेरे भरोसे बैठा है इसको कैसे फायर कर दूँ, right? But if I have to be a good entrepreneur, if I have to do justice to the business that I'm running, I have to fire the person.
Yeah.
So hiring and firing is I hate it.
Do you think overall successful बनने के लिए ruthless बनना पड़ता है?
You have to be ruthless. You have to be ruthless. You have to be relentless, and you have to be mad. Right? You have to be mad about it. I'm telling you, you have to be almost stupid about it. Right? And you will see this in every. Like it's like मैं video create करके डालूंगा और एक दिन कुछ होगा. Just like कोने में बैठे हो तुम वीडियो बनाए जा रहे हो कुछ नहीं हो रहा 10 लोग देख रहे हैं 15 लोग देख रहे हैं 20 लोग देख रहे हैं राइट लोग तुम्हें बोल रहे हैं कि भाई क्यों कर रहे है तू बहुत अच्छे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है बट तुम्हें वही करना है सो यू हैव टू बी मैड अबाउट इट
When you say mad, do you? So have you heard the term of that monk mode? तो सुना होगा.
हाँ
So like one of our friends follows or is into this monk mode philosophy. कि यार मुझे अगर घुसना है इसमें तो I have to give up socializing. I have to give up a lot of my activities. I have to only focus on content creation. Do you believe that lifestyle works?
Yes.
so the humans are multidimensional
हाँ.
ठीक है अगर तुम सब बंद कर दोगे तुम आइडिया कहाँ से लाओगे गूगल पे जाके गिव मी 5 गुड आइडियाज कहाँ से आएगा फिर वो आइडिया इट्स लाइक
Inspiration के लिए you have to
go to the world right
You have to
like
live an interesting life. Yeah.
you have to be in the nature you have to have a good enough life like it's like people ask me ki bro I'm not getting content ideas and I was like you're not getting content ideas because you're not doing anything cool in real life
True.
if you really think about it कि मुझे तो कभी content ideas की कमी नहीं आती यार I get so many ideas कि I never run out of ideas because I am building a business right I am building another venture like I am doing multiple things here and there I am going out meeting people doing podcasts right so it's interesting so ideas कभी खत्म नहीं होते so humans are multidimensional but monk mode so usually what I like to do is like to play life in seasons
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
it's like भाई ये 3 महीने मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कौन सा नया बैंड आया हुआ है टाउन में मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन सा नया क्लब खुला है मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट है कौन सा फैमिली फंक्शन होता है मुझे काम करना है
Yeah.
एंड दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई गिव अ फक अबाउट एंड देन 2 months आई विल बी लाइक कि फक इट आई विल जस्ट फक अराउंड
Yeah.
so like you have to be in that position of creating that leverage else you fuck around with the concept of work life balance
Correct.
हाँ.
So the seasons works better for you as compared
season
to
works in my opinion because the focus gets converged at one place right and so as humans we can't focus at multiple things if you really think about it you can only focus on a couple of things and couple of parameters of your life that's why successful people suck at relationships why do you think so because नहीं होता भाई नहीं हो सकता यार नहीं it's impossible right so it's hard for people that's why you'll see people getting divorced because जो businessman है उसको बस फर्क ही बिजनेस से पड़ता है और वो उसकी इतनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम कर लेता है बट दैट रिलेशनशिप्स सफर राइट सो
Have you ever had to like juggle between certain relationships and your work? कि वो
it happens a lot of time यार like it happens like there have been times where couple of days passed by and I have not talked to my mom and then my mom told me कि 2 दिन हो गए then I feel bad about it like bancho what the hell am I doing right like so but in that moment doing what I was doing was the most important right so then I have to realign कि यार you have to do what's required
correct.
so that's how it is that's
ऐसा
how it
कभी
is
लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि like you've kind of sold your soul for money?
oh fuck
Like, is it if it's like a
Heavy हो रहा है.
sponsor?
भाई only fans नहीं मेरा What do you mean?
No, like जैसे स्पॉन्सरशिप आया और फिर स्पॉन्सर ये बोल रहा है कि यही चाहिए मेरे को, यही करना है, तो इट्स लाइक मैंने इस पैसे के लाइक बहाने मैंने पूरा अपना आर्टिस्टिक इंटेग्रिटी दे दिया.
Selling a soul though is a very heavy shit to say, but I won't say that, right? But when I was starting out, I have done some things that I didn't liked because of the money is what I could say, right? But ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई तू उन्होंने बोल दिया ये कर तो यही कर रहा हूँ मैं, right? Because like I have been fortunate enough to not put money on that big of a pedestal कि भाई इसके लिए तो कुछ भी कर दूंगा मैं.
True.
So that's that.
Because even we keep ऐसा हम लोग सोचते रहते हैं ना कि what should we do this for genuinely doing it for like producing content and for like audiences, or sometimes should we get into something just for the money even if it might not be what we
Yeah.
focus on,
Yeah.
like, might not be our
So see, what I'll suggest is do two things, okay? Build cash flow and build leverage, right? Don't connect both. Because
Okay.
as soon as you connect content with cash, your content suck. Because now you're creating to make money.
Wait, what do you mean by when you say build cash flow and
Yeah, so I'll
build-
explain it. So content creation, जब भी कोई इंसान पैसे बनाने के लिए करता है ना, तो उसका content it goes to shit because now you're always thinking about कि इस content से पैसा बनेगा क्या?
अच्छा.
Okay.
Content is art, right? Let it be the art, okay? And build a business on the side. You have to do that. You have to do that because cash flow से bills पे होते हैं और content से leverage बनता है जो future में capitalize होगा. अभी नहीं होगा वो. और अगर तुम उसको अभी capitalize करना चाहोगे तो ना content होगा ना पैसा बनेगा.
So content is like a marketing funnel.
Keep it separate. It's a marketing funnel. It's a way of gathering the attention, right? So you can use that attention in the future to trade. But attention उस level तक की बनाने के लिए तुम्हें पैसे के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. तभी तुम बना पाओगे. अगर तुम पैसे के बारे में सोच के बनाओगे तो फिर तुम जो चाहते हो वो नहीं करोगे. दिक्कत वो है. फिर तुम बोलोगे मैं पॉडकास्ट में कौन सा गेस्ट लेके आऊं जिसपे बहुत ज्यादा व्यूज आएंगे.
Correct.
ना कि मैं कौन से गेस्ट को लेके आऊं जो इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन करेगा या करेगी.
जिस पे हम लोग हंसेंगे जैसे आप बोल रहे थे.
That's a trade off.
मजा नहीं आएगा.
फिर वो ट्रेड ऑफ हो जाएगा ना. फिर तुम बोलोगे कि यार भाई अभी क्या करने का है. That's the
खुद ही
issue.
बोर होंगे, काम में मजा नहीं आया.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
that's the problem.
The work should not feel like work, no?
Yep.
Should feel like play. Yeah.
Yeah. मतलब वर्क शुड ये मतलब थोड़ा ना कंट्रोवर्शियल है कि वर्क शुड फील लाइक प्ले.
Umbrella में है बहुत.
बिजनेस कैन नॉट फील लाइक प्ले,
Correct.
right? Business, profitable businesses are built on top of tasks and activities and things that are boring, that you don't like to do. Boring things make a business successful, not the glamorous things. समझ रहे हो तुम? ग्लैमरस क्या है कि एक एड वायरल हो गया, एक वीडियो वायरल, दैट्स ग्लैमरस.
Correct.
बट अगर वो एड वायरल तो हो गया, बट अगर उसके बैकएंड पे नीचे ऑपरेशंस और उसका सिस्टम है वही फक्ड अप है, जो कि बोरिंग चीज़ें हैं, तो तुम्हारा बिजनेस चलेगा कैसे? सो यू हैव टू डू द बोरिंग थिंग्स.
Yeah.
यू हैव टू डू द बोरिंग थिंग. यू हैव टू टेल योरसेल्फ कि बोरिंग है फिर भी मैं करूंगा. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज प्ले. ओवरऑल इट्स अ प्ले कि यार ठीक है, आई लाइक डूइंग इट, मुझे मजा आ रहा है. ओवरऑल आई एम ट्राइंग न्यू थिंग्स, दैट्स अ प्ले, राइट? इट्स लाइक इट्स लाइक सेटिंग अप ऑल द ट्राइपॉड्स once you have done 200 podcasts. It's not play. प्ले कैसे होगा वो? तुम बोलो क्या इधर उधर फोन गिर रहा है भाई, उसका स्क्रू ढीला हो गया, बट यू हैव टू डू इट टू बी एबल टू हैव द फन कॉन्वर्सेशन, लेट्स से.
Correct.
सो दैट्स हाउ आई थिंक अबाउट इट कि भाई प्ले तो ठीक है मतलब है, बट बोरिंग चीज़ें तो करनी पड़ेगी.
Meaning of life के बारे में सोचा है?
मीनिंग ऑफ लाइफ, अभी तो एलन वॉट्स का quote बताया ना, मीनिंग ऑफ लाइफ इज टू लिव. आई रीड अ लॉट ऑफ फिलॉसफी.
Which is who's your favorite philosopher?
Philosopher, so I started by reading Stoicism a lot, right?
Oh.
So I read a lot of Stoicism,
Marcus Aurelius.
lot of fucking Stoicism, Marcus Aurelius, right? That's very straightforward and applicable to the life, right?
Daily life.
If I start reading Nietzsche and everything, I'll be fucked. Because that's way too deep and dark for me.
Have you ever read Nietzsche?
I haven't understood it, bro. It's hard for me in some way because it's like I have tried reading Antichrist or books like that, but it's like when I basically tried reading them, it didn't made a lot of sense to me, you could say.
उसकी language भी बहुत.
It's very hard language, one modern philosopher that I like is Nassim Nicholas Taleb,
Yeah.
right?
Black
Anti-Fragility,
Swan.
if you've read
Yeah.
it.
Black Swan.
Black Swan. Skin in the Game is fucking good book, bro. You have to read it. Skin in the Game. It's like you don't take advice from somebody who have not done it for themselves.
Correct.
It's like, and I have applied it on my life as well. Like it's like my father used to tell me, "Don't do this." I was like, "You have not done it for yourself. Like, it's rude in a way, but I'm not telling it to him.
Correct.
I'm telling it to myself, right? So maybe I should not listen to you, right? India के अंदर बड़ों लोगों को pedestal पे बिठाने की आदत है लोगों को, right? It's like even if they are wrong. So Skin in the Game is a great book, right? So Jordan Peterson, I listen to him a lot.
12 Rules.
It's, and the articulation that he has, it's insane, right? So 12 Rules for Life, it's good fucking book. If you listen to audiobook of it, right, you have to listen to the audiobook, not the text. His voice is so
Damn good, yeah,
therapeutic, dude, like fuck, it's crazy, right? So that book, right? I have been reading Alan Watts a bit here and there. Then Charles Bukowski is not a philosopher, is a way. He was
Poet,
like an artist, poet, but it's good. It's deep.
Yeah.
It's deep, right? So yeah, I think that's what
What's
I'm
your
into.
favorite book? Like the one that impacted you the most, maybe?
You'll recommend to us also, like.
12 Rules for Life तो है ही एक. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius का translation. That's another great one. और कौन सी पढ़ी है मैंने? So there are different genres, right? So Skin in the Game, I told you. What else?
एक Obstacle is the Way करके है, मेरी favorite है वो.
Obstacle, Ryan Holiday,
Yeah,
right?
Ryan
Yeah, that's a
Holiday,
good book.
That's
That's
a
a
very
good book. उसकी जो ये वाली book है, Ryan Holiday की, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Daily Stoic.
Daily Stoic. I've read it at least 2 to 3 times now. I read it every year.
Damn.
Would you call yourself a stoic?
No, I'm not a stoic. It's hard to be a stoic, right? Like, it's hard. I try to be a stoic, but it's hard. Like,
Yeah,
but you can only pursue it.
Correct.
You can't be a stoic. मुझे ऐसा लगता है in the modern world.
Yeah. You can't be a stoic.
You can't be a stoic.
Yeah.
But you can always aim for it, and in just aiming. So, like any philosophy is just about reminding yourself of that philosophy again and again.
Correct.
मैं 10 philosophy पढ़ लूँगा, सबका ले दे के conclusion तो एक ही निकल रहा है. In a way, like they have different tangents to it. Different way of explanations. But अगर मैं एक पढ़ के दूसरी पढ़ने में पहली वाली भूल गया, तो what's the point? इसलिए Daily Stoic I read every year. कि उसमें हर दिन मेरे को एक चीज़ पढ़नी है, like even if I apply 5% of that book ना, well, life will change radically.
What activities do you think in the modern world you can perform to be more stoic? अगर कुछ है?
You can and you should and you must keep yourself away from distractions. Right? The misery of the modern world is distractions. Right? It's like you get distracted with everything, right? Like, and the phone. Most importantly, the fucking phone, right? Either don't keep the phone in my room when I'm working. Like, so it's like one thing that you can do to be a stoic in the world we live in is to treat your time like it's money. Right? And respecting your attention, your own attention. Right? And not giving it away for absolutely fucking free without thinking about where you are giving it.
Yeah.
If you can do that, then you are stoic because you're in control. Like the idea, overall moral idea of stoicism is self-control.
Definitely. Yeah.
Right? Self-control. So if you're not distracted, you can control yourself.
आज के वर्ल्ड में तो सेल्फ कंट्रोल इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि लाइक पीपल आर देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड लाइक बीट जंक फूड और बीट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स वगैरह लाइक पीपल डोंट हैव एनी कंट्रोल ओवर देयर ओन सेल्फ एवरीथिंग इज लाइक
कुछ भी हो रहा है ब्रो. आई वाज रीडिंग अ न्यूज़, एक बंदा स्टिंग पी के मर गया ब्रो क्योंकि इतनी कैफीन पी ली उसने.
वो मैंने
What the fuck? मतलब कंट्रोल देख रहा है तो लोगों का किस लेवल पे रूइंड हो चुका है. पीपल डोंट, क्या कर रहे हैं मतलब लोग. इट्स हार्ड.
Regarding this, do you think like the bar has never been lower
In terms of?
in terms of success, like to succeed?
It has never been lower for sure. Yeah.
So like you think like you saying like people are
Dude,
it's easier
people
now.
are distracted as fuck. People don't want to work. People are lazy. People are comfortable. Right? And I'll tell you what. In the next few years, the more money is going to get pumped in India, and the more comfortable the generation is going to get, and the less they are going to work. So you can beat those motherfuckers, right? I don't know if you have listened to this podcast of Dana White. I'll run over all of you guys, all of you motherfuckers, right? I'll run all over you, right? Because, and he's like, if you don't work, like majority of the people don't work, right? They're comfortable, right? And if you can just get better, if you can put your skin in the game, if you can work hard, if you can show up every day, you'll run all over these motherfuckers. He just tell this with that fierce face, bro. It's crazy, and that's true.
Just outwork everyone.
Yeah, just work, no? Like, जो मैं 1% getting better की बोल रहा हूँ ना, can you get 1% better every day is the question. Right? Can you wake up in the morning and ask yourself what are the 20% of the things that will give me 80% of the results?
Correct. Yeah.
Right? Can you show up every day? Can you do the things when you especially when you don't want to do the things. Right? कि आज रिकॉर्ड करने की पॉडकास्ट अच्छा नहीं हो रही, कल करेंगे,
आज ही करना है.
If you can do that, bro, you will get there. I'm telling you, it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. The doubts, comparison, misery, feeling bad about yourself, keeping yourself, it's all in the mind. Right? So self-improvement is everything in my
और ये
opinion.
सबको मालूम होता है ना. I think
Everyone knows this.
everyone knows
Bro,
this.
not everybody knows
but
this.
no one wants to do anything about
Not
it.
everybody knows this.
Not everyone.
Not everybody knows. That's what I'm telling you. Right? Like the conversation that we are having is above 90% of Indians' IQ.
Yeah.
I'm not even kidding.
You really believe that? Because I thought
I'm 100.
like
Bro, you live in Mumbai. You're sitting in Andheri, right?
Tier 1 city
like what do you
already
mean? You go to, people don't care about this shit. People have never heard, people don't know what stoicism mean.
Yeah.
What are you saying? People don't know what stoicism
that
mean.
is true. That is true.
People don't know what philosophy means. What are you saying? Right? If I ask my mother कि मम्मी आपको philosophy का मतलब पता है, she don't know. Like what are you saying, right? So people don't know things what we're talking about, and that's why maybe they're happy.
Because they're stupid, they're happy.
You know what I'm saying, right? So they have their own bubble and they're happy with it.
Yeah.
And that's great. Right? So it's like we keep expanding our bubble.
Correct.
And the bigger the bubble gets, the more we fear of it getting burst. Right? Because you're like कि भाई मुझे इतना सब पता है, फिर भी मैं फेल हो रहा हूँ. बट जिसको पता ही नहीं, बोले फेल भी होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा भाई?
उसको मालूम ही नहीं वो फेल हो रहा है.
हाँ,
क्योंकि उसको पता ही नहीं
पड़ता ना.
that makes sense.
वो फियर है यार कि भाई मुझे इतनी चीजें पता होने के बावजूद भी अब तो मैं फेल हो ही नहीं सकता. तो फिर लोग बोलते हैं मैं रिस्क कम लेता हूँ यार, क्योंकि मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा तो इट्स लाइक कि मैंने इतना सब किया था, मुझे इतना सब पता था, तो एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस हो जाएगी.
That's true.
हैवी बातें हो गई.
भाई मजा आ रहा है. मजा आ रहा है.
सबसे हेवी कॉन्वर्सेशन क्या की है?
सबसे हैवी कॉन्वर्सेशन?
हाँ मतलब ऐसे वो कॉन्वर्सेशन, वो 1 घंटे या 2 घंटे कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद दिमाग ऐसा लगा कि हिल गया है पूरी.
हाँ.
Is it?
What
You were
was it?
asking me what was
Yeah.
that conversation?
अच्छा, again, I thought you.
No. I'm asking you, what was that for you?
Usually it has happened multiple times with one of my friends. His name is Anuj. He's from Mumbai only, lives in Netherlands. We go on these video calls and we blow our own minds. Like, fuck. And you know what I'm saying, right? So, happened a couple of times with him, I would say, yeah.
What do you all talk about, like both of you?
Random shit, bro. He is like a data scientist. He will talk about random probabilities of life, and then we'll merge philosophy and psychology to it, and then we'll be like, okay, इसलिए content ये वाला ऐसा चलता है. It's random bullshit. Like the best conversations are intersection of multiple random worlds.
Definitely.
Right?
Correct. Yeah.
That's where the best conversations are born, right? It's like I can merge the traditional belief system of my city with philosophy, with entrepreneurship, with having fun, and something random would come out and I'll blow my own minds. I'll like, oh fuck, इसलिए ये हो रहा है.
Fair.
So,
Do you think finding friends like that, the one you have,
Yeah.
like it's hard to get like right now?
so I think humans attract people the way they are, right? You three of you almost have similar interest of sorts. That's why you
Same
start the
wavelength
same,
somewhere.
yeah. So
Yeah.
you can say wavelength is a good word, right? If you are kind of on the same wavelength, you attract the same people. You won't attract a stupid guy. You're like how could you? You won't, because conversation match ही नहीं होगी. तुम पहली बार बात करोगे, दूसरी बार नहीं करोगे.
Correct.
Valid point, yeah.
So it's not that
We
hard.
keep talking about that. Ki how do you surround yourself with the right people? Because that's very important.
Yeah,
like
it's important.
to have the right conversations,
Yes.
to watch the right content.
Yeah.
So content to discuss कर लिया, but like what would you say? How do you attract yourself around the right people?
You are talking to the right person. So that's one way of doing it. But like just go out, meet people, talk to people.
Correct.
You will find some people interesting. You connect with them. And don't be afraid to ask. You never know when someone would say yes to what you think will never say yes to you. It's world is so basic. Everybody is human, right? But we treat people like they are gods, right? You cannot have, and the more you achieve now, the more you do the work, the more you put in the work, the more things you build, you realize everybody is a fucking human, right? And so you don't treat people like they're gods, right? So it's like normal, right? Like, so you just keep doing the good work, keep talking to good people, you will find good people, right? So put yourself in the right places, I would say. That's important. So
When you moved to Mumbai, did you have any relative or friend here?
Yeah, I have relatives over here. So one of the reason of me moving to Mumbai, not Bangalore, was that because I already have my uncle and my bua lives here. They live in Borivali.
Oh.
अच्छा.
So that's why I like it. I will be able to live alone. Mumbai is a good city, but if something happens, family wala connection will be there. So
And how did you meet your creator friends? Like, for example, Saksham.
Saksham.
yeah.
Why Saksham?
So yeah, there is a concept of networking. So people talk a lot about networking, right? I think networking is a scam,
I agree, yes.
right?
थोड़ा सा.
Because it's like I see so many young folks. They would wear these suits and everything from a networking event and posting pictures, Instagram stories with founders, right? I was like, "Ki, bro, ठीक है, that's great. That's great if you're doing something.
True.
If you're building something, if you have a startup, if you're doing something, right?
Correct,
so probably you can go into those places and get something informative and insightful out of those conversations. तुम आगे ये पूछ रहे हो कि sir, what do I do? Like what should I do for my like? What's that question? What's that? तू समझ रहे हैं? इसलिए अगर मैं तेरे को आज बोल दूं कि bro, I am giving you 1 hour with let's say Nikhil Kamath. तू कुछ भी नहीं करता है, नल्ला है तू क्या पूछेगा उससे?
हाँ, that's actually yeah.
तो मतलब you want your questions. So networking of that way doesn't make sense. I think if you do the right work with honesty, you go in the trenches, you do the hard work, network comes as a result of it. I've talked about it multiple times, bro. On my last Instagram page, I used to message people, right? I won't take names. They ghosted me, bro. Because they're like, bro, who the fuck are you? Meri knowledge to badli. On the new page, they're inviting me to their fucking private parties.
Oh no.
It's only because I have the attention.
Yeah.
मैं इंसान तो नहीं बदला, मतलब ओवरऑल मोर और लेस आई एम द सेम पर्सन. मैं ऑलमोस्ट वैसे ही कंटेंट क्रिएट करता था इन द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स और ईयर्स. सो लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड देन, यू नो? सो नेटवर्क ऑटोमेटिकली बन गया ना, बिकॉज आई डिसाइडेड टू डू द हार्ड वर्क. पीपल कम टू यू. आई एम टेलिंग यू, पीपल कम टू यू व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द राइट वर्क.
Yeah.
People reach out to you.
Do you think personal brand is the best way?
Personal brand is a great way of doing it because you are putting in the work and you are showing it to the people that I am doing the work. And it's like my portfolio, like people like my work.
Yeah.
People like my work, so there is a leverage there, right? So content, तो everybody should do content, यार, in one way or another. Twitter पे करो, LinkedIn पे करो, YouTube पे करो, Instagram तुम्हें जहाँ करना है करो. If you're not doing it, you're missing out on it, right? That's what I think.
Do you think after you gained so many after so many followers, subscribers, ये सब के बाद people's perception of you changed, like as you were saying कि मतलब जो पहले लोग ghost कर देते थे, they are now inviting you to parties that you. तो वैसे existing friends का, family members का perception change हुआ या they were still on the same level of comfort level zone, same ही था?
I think that's the beauty of having childhood friends and having a family. जिनके सामने तुम ग्रो अप हुए हो ना, वो तुम्हें लाती मारेंगे भाई, तुम मिलियनर बन जाओ, उनको कुछ करना पड़ता ना, राइट? वो गाली देके बुलाएंगे कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो तू, चूते. तो समझ रहे हैं ना? सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट, दैट ग्राउंड्स यू एंड दैट्स व्हाट कीप्स यू हैप्पीएस्ट. बिकॉज अगर हर इंसान तुम्हें पेडेस्टल पे रख देगा भाई, तो तुम यू आर व्हेन इट्स लाइक जब तू किसी अननोन एनवायरनमेंट में जाता है तो तू नर्वस और फियर क्यों होता है? देखो, क्योंकि लोग तेरे को शायद जज कर देंगे, शायद उनको पता पड़ जाएगा कि तू शायद जैसा वो देखते हैं वैसा तू नहीं है. बट घर वालों के सामने तू वैसा ही है ना. सो देयर इज नो फकिंग फियर. दैट्स वेयर द 100% कंफर्ट इज, एंड दैट्स वेयर यू कीप स्टे द हैप्पीएस्ट.
Unfiltered है तो
Unfiltered as fuck, right?
It's very beautiful ना वैसा.
So that's beautiful.
Yeah.
But also, like on the flip side, do you think there are people who want you to do good but not better than them?
Yeah. So like there is one saying, you know, like people would support you until you surpass them.
Yeah.
Right? That's why there are few people in life who would keep supporting you when they have shit.
Yeah.
And those are the people that you should never let go of.
Correct.
Because you should just stay connected with them, because I'm telling you, it's hard. As humans, jealousy and envy is an emotion that is easy to come by.
Yeah.
But if there is a person who support you, even if that person eats shit, that's the best fucking person to stay connected with. So
Makes sense.
Do you think it happens to someone like चढ़ते वक्त everyone supporting you, but when you reach the top, people like turn their back against you or make a meme out of you or like
Tear you down.
tear you down?
Yeah.
Do you think it happens with everyone? Yeah, some people नहीं होता उनके साथ.
It's like, I don't know, like not everybody I would say, but there are some people, you know. And also the thing is, अगर हो भी रहा है तो people won't show it. Not a lot of people show it, but they might be feeling it in their head, right? So you don't know, you never know, right? But some people you know कि यार भाई इसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. This person really want me to win. Right? So Yeah, different people.
I wanted to ask you one question. The three of us have been like एक problem हो रही है हमारे साथ like with the podcast and all. We are confused between niching down
Yeah.
or generalizing the
There
audience.
is niche. The concept of niche is fucked up. What's niche? Like it's like niche क्या होता? Like as I told ना multi-dimensional होते हैं humans. मेरे को एक दिन किसी और चीज़ की बात करनी, एक दिन किसी और चीज़ के बारे में बात करनी, तो दिक्कत क्या हो गई? Even the podcasts that are niched. In the conversations they are talking about random things as well, na?
True.
Right?
True.
So it's like the way of niching down, if you want to niche down, is what are the things that you are curious about?
Correct.
What are the things that makes you excited? What are the subjects and topics that you like to read about?
Valid.
वो niche है तुम्हारी. Don't try to niche down on the basis of कि कौन सी niche चलेगी. That's not the right way to niche down. That's messed up.
Correct.
Because तुम खुद की knowledge, खुद की curiosity, खुद के subjects को क्या चलेगा उसके बेसिस पे बदलना not worth it.
Not smart.
So in a way you are like the niche. You are the niche.
You are the niche, right? Yeah. You talk about anything and everything, but make sure whatever you're creating, people are getting some sort of value out of it. Right? You cannot be a selfish creator.
Correct.
Right? Selfish creator, you have to be selfless. The biggest piece of the puzzle of being a creator is being selfless. Because humans selfish होते हैं भाई. तो समझ रहा है? अगर तू कितना भी स्मार्ट है, तूने खुद को समझाया कि भाई मैं सेल्फलेस रहूंगा, तू उस मोमेंट में सेल्फलेस रहेगा, अगले दिन तू वापस सेल्फिश हो जाएगा. बिकॉज इवोल्यूशनरी हम वायर्ड ही वैसे हैं. अगर तू सेल्फिश नहीं होगा तो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएगा.
Correct.
सो गोइंग अगेंस्ट हाउ यू आर बिल्ट इवोल्यूशनरी is different, is hard. That's why very few people are good creators. क्योंकि लोग selfless होके नहीं सोच पाते. All great marketers are selfless.
That's true.
All great marketers are selfless क्योंकि वो नहीं create कर रहे जो उनको create करना है. वो create कर रहे हैं जो audience को भी पसंद है, plus उन्हें भी मजा आता है. The intersection of what you like
That's
to create
the-
and what audience will get value out
That's
of
the perfect spot.
is what being a good creator mean, and a good marketer as a whole. Creation is marketing.
Do you think that gets in the way of being a good artist, maybe? Because there are people who will create whatever they want to. Starting में the audience will judge them, or the people who consume their art form will be like, ये क्या बकवास बना दिया. But 5 years down the line, 10 years
Yeah.
down the line, it's the most appreciated artwork
Yeah.
ever.
It's the choice, na? Do you want to remain a broke artist until you become big, or you want to become an artist who have everything?
Do you take that risk after getting to that stage? Like, I'll give an example.
Yeah.
Imtiaz Ali, let's
Yeah,
take
yeah, yeah.
filmmaker. You watch his films, right?
Yeah,
You all love
crazy.
his films.
Yeah.
Starting में audiences stare it down. कि मतलब,
Bullshit, yeah.
Then comes the phase कि मतलब चलो.
Yeah.
But he did that जब इतनी सारी फिल्में हिट हो गई तब वो जाके बना रहा है जब Harry Met
Yeah.
Sejal, Love Aajkal 2.
Yeah.
People tear it down.
Yeah.
Some people
Yeah.
over the years have started to like it.
Yeah, but he is at a position where he can afford to say fuck you.
You're not a money now.
He has money. He can create whatever the hell he want. You know what I'm saying, right?
हाँ.
Probably he might have. I don't know the history of him. I don't know. You might have read it, but he might have done the work that was essential for making money. Maybe, who knows? We don't know. That's the problem with society putting, people who have become successful on pedestal. कि भाई ये तो इसकी जो इच्छा होती है वही करता है. No, bro, you don't know.
Correct.
कि वो क्या कर रहा था जब वो 16 का था. You don't know. या तो पूरी डिटेल लेके आओ.
हाँ.
या तो पूरी डिटेल लेके आओ, या फिर रैंडम हाफ एज इंस्पिरेशन मत लो कि भाई ये कर रहा था तो मैं भी इसकी जैसे करूंगा. तुम्हें नहीं पता पूरी स्टोरी. यू डोंट नो द फुल स्टोरी. वो पूरी स्टोरी जानना इंपॉर्टेंट है.
तो जब तक वहाँ स्टेज पे पहुँचा, till then what he was doing we don't
वी डोंट नो ना. दैट्स एंड चॉइस है कि भाई मुझे ब्रोक रहना है काफी टाइम तक एंड आई कैन अफोर्ड इट, तो करो. हु इज स्टॉपिंग यू? टेक दैट लीप ऑफ फेथ. बट इफ यू कांट देन मेक मनी.
Smart.
Alright.
Okay guys, that's crazy. Love it.
It's been a crazy episode.
Yes.
बहुत मजा आया अक्षित. I hope you also had fun.
I had fun.
I hope,
Great, I love it.
मस्त.
Love the vibe, bro. Vibe. It's good.
Crazy. I think educational भी था और काफी मजा भी आया होगा.
It's fun. It's fun.
And
Yeah, I love it.
And I hope कि तुम लोगों को भी उतना ही मजा आया जितना हम चारों का आया hopefully.
Yeah.
And any last words? Anyone?
Nothing?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say?
No, I think we got to learn a lot. We vibed a
You
lot.
go ahead.
You should go.
I don't.
Appearing, when are you appearing for the next
Yeah, I
episode?
think. I think जो ये हमने बात करी है, just keep getting better and don't forget to live.
Oh. That's good.
Alright guys.
Okay guys, cut.